If you want to enable or disable quick share on the Motorola Moto G87, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings you want to proceed to connect the devices, and then over here you want to go to connection preferences. Here you should be able to find quick share, so you can tap over here to open this menu. And in order to turn on quick share, you can go to who can share with you. You want to enable visibility, and then in addition to that you might want to switch the visibility to everyone or everyone for 10 minutes. You can of course try to use contacts, but keep in mind that only those devices that have a specific Google account, and if you are saved as a contact in that Google account, then only then your phone can be found on that other device. So more likely you want to choose everyone or everyone for 10 minutes. Besides that, you can also just go to the receive menu over here, and as long as you stay here in this menu, you are temporarily visible to everyone, no matter what setting you have in QuickShare settings. And also, besides that, keep in mind that you can open QuickShare quickly by just going to the Control Center or Quick Settings. It is added by default over here, so you should be able to just tap here and go to this menu over here. If you want to make the visibility changes, you can go to your phone over here, and then you can once again go to who can share with you. So at the same time, if you want to disable QuickShare, you can, for example, completely turn off visibility. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.